What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to get a refund on Remitly. So, if you have some problems with using Remitly here, or generally speaking, you just made an error with transferring your funds here, well, there is a way for you to get a refund here in Remitly, but this one is kind of conditional. So, the easiest way for you to get a refund on Remitly is just by canceling the actual transaction that you made on Remitly. So to be speaking, you just need to go to your transaction history and you should be able to select that transaction or tap on that transaction and just click on the cancel option on Remitly. But then again, if you already made the transaction and it's already been paid, this is going to be kind of hard because Remitly, in order for you to make or to cancel a transaction, you need to make sure that you cancel it before it was already made. But then again, you can still contact support here, but how do you do so? So what you need to do is you want to go to remitly.com, or you could go and open up the app itself. But to be speaking, you just need to go to the very bottom here and you want to go ahead and go to support, click on help. And what you need to do is you need to reach out to support. So to be speaking, you can either chat them via phone or chat here. So you could go and click on chat. And by the way, you could choose your language here as well if you want. Let's go and click on chat. And it should open up a new window which allows you to basically enter your first name, last name, and email here. Once you click on start chatting here, it should give you the option to basically have a conversation with Remitly here, and you should be able to provide further details like what's the transaction details, like the number for it, who do you send it to, and also stuff. So just interact with the representative here and see what they can actually do for you. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.